big is the land?
Miếng đất của cô có lớn không?
Dạ con hỏi ra 250 mét vuông.
200 square meter. 200. 200 square meter. It's quite a big land in Vietnam.
Nearby.
It's in center.
Nearby beach or
Có gần với biển không? Yes, near the beach.
how far from the beach?
Cách bao xa không? Walking for 5 minutes only.
Only 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes walking. So one minute driving.
It is the same for the nursing home. Nursing home owner. She also bought the land nearby beach because of my suggestion. In this way, she can make nursing home at that place. So also we can make education center that is big enough for both nursing home together with education center or Dhamma hospital. In the beginning, she intended to buy the land in downtown of the city. In downtown, the land is small, not near to the beach. The prices also double. Because of my suggestion, she cancelled buying the small land in downtown, and then she found big land nearby beach. In this way, we can work together for nursing home and Dhamma hospital or meditation center. At that time, there is a windy because of nearby beach. That's why it is suitable for